Welcome to the HBR channel. Now we discuss about the science of life, a deep dive into defining the scope of physiology. This video is curated for students, professionals, and enthusiasts interested in understanding the functions of living systems. The word physiology originates from the Greek physis, meaning nature, and logos, meaning study or word, where this source collected from American Journal of Physiology. Modern physiology is defined as the study of the functions and processes of living organisms, unfolding the mystery of functional aspects of individual organs. Let's say physiology is distinct from anatomy, where anatomy is the map, focusing on structure, location, and composition, and physiology is the journey, focusing on processes, integrated activity, and function. The golden rule is that structure determines function. Physiology integrates chemical processes at all levels of organization, from atoms and molecules up to the whole organism level. Mainly consists of 6 types are 1. Chemical level, 2. Cellular level, 3. Tissue level, 4. Organ level, 5. System level, 6. Organism level. Its scope is integrating these processes to create whole body behavior. The core principle of physiology is homeostasis, the maintenance of a constant internal environment or milieu intérieur. Key variables maintained include pH balance, temperature, and blood pressure. The foundation of physiology is the cell. Core cellular functions include nutrition and oxygen consumption, energy production, waste elimination, and environmental maintenance. Complex systems evolved solely to service these basic cellular needs. Body systems can be grouped. Group 1 focuses on supply and maintenance, including the respiratory system for gas exchange, cardiovascular system for transport, gastrointestinal system for digestion, and renal system for fluid and waste excretion. This explains how the system has each respective physiologies. Same as Group 2 systems focus on control and continuity. This includes the nervous system for fast, integrative control, the endocrine system for long-term hormonal regulation, the musculoskeletal system for movement and support, and the reproductive system for species propagation in our body. Beyond general physiology, the scope expands into specialized branches (IN) that are some mainly discussed as exercise physiology, acute or chronic response for an activity, comparative physiology, and environmental physiology, which studies high altitude or deep sea conditions. The clinical scope is pathophysiology. This involves comparing the normal physiological baseline to disordered function or pathology. Diagnosis relies on understanding the physiological normal range, often based on cellular level deviations. The professional physiologist is a biologist specializing in systemic function. Key skills include data analysis, technical proficiency with tests like ECG and spirometry, and complex communication. Professional duties span research, clinical care, and education. Physiologists design experiments, perform diagnostic tests, conduct rehabilitation, and teach future professionals. Physiology provides an integrated view, connecting the molecular logic of the cell to the health of the whole organism. The ultimate goal is to understand how life works in order to preserve, repair, and optimize it. Thank you for watching this video. The sources used for this material are listed here for your reference and further reading. If you like it, do not forget like and subscribe.